Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to make progress icon and progress bar. Okay, so let's get started. First, let's create a completely new project, and I'm going to name it progress. Okay, progress bar and progress is like a progress icon and bar and bar. Okay, so two things together. Bonus, right? Text feature also with components. Add a folder. Progress icon and bar. Okay, great. Okay, just wait for it to initialize. So first, very simple one. Very simple. You just need to progress, make a maybe just progress view vstack. Let's just inside I'm going to give you a progress view. Alright, progress view, as simple as that. You can even have a label, and the label will be something like a text. Okay, you can say downloading dot. Okay, it's downloading, and you can add a modifier of a specific font. Let me use a caption, and then you can add a specific color. Foreground color. Delicate in the future, always remain to foreground style, right? So let's add a style and style, shape style. Okay, we can have a normally we'll have like a greenish sort of thing. Okay, let me just add a gray, and we can test it out. Okay. Okay, so we got this little icon, and we are downloading as a font. Okay, it's pretty good. Normally this would be like okay, but of course you can change the size. So if you want it to be like a really big, I believe you can have like a title. Let me just dot large title. Okay, and of course you can change the foreground style. Normally this API, I believe, is like a color. If you want a style, you can get a really outstanding like a blue style. And let's try this again. Text, yeah. So the downloading will be bigger, definitely, because you got like a big label. Well, this icon does not change, right? Yeah, right now the text is bigger, but if you have to change the like the progress that icon, you have to change the style. So what I'm going to do is to I believe I can get the outside of the progress view here. Okay, so you can add a modifier here. So dot, I believe I can have a like the progress view style, right? So the style will be here, and yeah, maybe not the okay, yeah, it's here. So the end of a progress view, we can have a style, and that style let's come on, there's like no hint. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to do that manually. So circular progress view style, but and this is like a default style. Okay, so you can do something like this. Okay, so it will be the circular style, and you can then change the color. So you want to change to the consistent blue color. So you can do like a tint, and you can have a blue. Dot blue maybe. Okay, so exact same color, and then let's try this. right? So right, you got this blue tint, but still it's pretty small. You can scale it by dot scale, right? So effects, scale, and you can anchor. Normally we wouldn't do the anchor, okay? So just scale and input a specific scale, CG size. I believe you can make it fairly big. Can I make it 5? Okay, let's try this. Okay, no guarantee. Let's try this. Okay, that's definitely too small. Too big. 5 too big. Maybe just 2. Okay. Okay, that's already too big. And the font large title, maybe I'm using like too much. Let's just give it like large title. Maybe just make a title and scale factor too. Yeah, you have to fine tune this and adjust this multiple times in order to get the best result for your loading. This is definitely too big. So maybe not as a title, rather just some subtitle system, like a caption maybe, and scale factor maybe 1. I think at least 2. 1 maybe too small. Okay, really small. So then if I 2, maybe that's better. Yeah, that's much better. Really outstanding downloading. Okay, so yeah, yeah, I think that's it. In next video, I'm going to show you how to change the style of a progress bar.